Collin County News Team live. Torrential downpour. If you're going to get out today, please watch your speed. Keep your headlights on. And if it gets really bad, put your flashers on. We have expected 4 to 6 inches of rain today and tomorrow. So if you don't have to get out, this would be a good day to stay in, make some hot cocoa, and just relax. John reporting from Allen, Texas on Highway 75. Back to you, Therese. All right, well, here's a car. And this is how dangerous it is. I just talked to these people and they hydroplaned and the lady's pretty shook up. But that's what can happen. Okay, they're gonna go through, thank you. When you go too fast in the wet, you will hydroplane and crash. So be careful out there.
Thanks for listening. We hope you enjoyed the show.